11 days ago, SpaceX pulled off the biggest IPO in Wall Street history. Elon Musk became the world's first trillionaire. Shares popped, the stock rocketing past $2 trillion, and then it started crashing. The stock just closed down 16.4% in a single session, now sitting at 154.60, 3 straight red days. Today we're breaking down exactly what's going on with SPCX stock, the bond sale spooking investors, the lockup cliff, Musk's latest fight with Wall Street's ESG police, and the massive AI deals stacking up underneath all the chaos. Let's get into it.
Look at this chart. SPCX started at 135, popped to 160 on day one, then it went parabolic, 225 at the peak on June 16th, and then gravity won. We just closed at 154.60. That's a 31% drawdown from the high. And over the last 3 trading sessions, this stock has shed more than $620 billion in market value, more than the entire market cap of most Fortune 500 companies, gone in 3 days.
Catalyst number 1. Monday, SpaceX drops a bombshell. They're launching a $20 billion bond sale, just 10 days after the biggest IPO in history. And their own filings show they're sitting on $100 billion in cash. So why raise more debt? Turns out it's to refinance the bridge loan they took out to buy XAI, and that loan has a hard deadline in 2027. The good news is Moody's, Fitch, and S&P all slapped investment grade ratings on it. The bad news is the stock fell 16% that same session. Wall Street is asking the obvious question. If you just raised $86 billion, why do you need more money already?
Catalyst number 2. Right now, only about 5% of SpaceX's shares can actually trade. The other 95% are quite simply locked up. That scarcity is part of why this stock got so expensive. It's trading at 90 times trailing sales. For context, the S&P 500 average is under 4 times, and yet Wall Street's average price target is $235, more than 27% above where it sits today. So analysts aren't fully bearish, they're just nervous about timing. Look at this unlock calendar. August earnings, August 21st, December. Musk's own shares don't free up until June 2027. Every one of these dates means more shares hitting the market and less scarcity propping up that premium. And of course, Musk being Musk, there's drama. MSCI just handed SpaceX its lowest possible ESG rating, a CCC, putting it in the same tier as Russia after the 2022 invasion. Brutal. Musk's response on X? Unfortunately, electric rockets are impossible. This is the same fight he had with Tesla back in 2022. But the more important story for investors might be this. KeyBank just initiated coverage with a neutral rating, sector weight, no price target, saying the stock's valuation already prices in most of the good news. 29 times sales, 71 times EBITDA on 2027 numbers. And here's a stat that might worry AI bulls. SpaceX-owned Grok has just 3% business adoption in the US, compared to OpenAI and Anthropic both sitting above 39%. Still, the street average target is 235. Analysts are split, and so is the narrative.
Now here's the twist. While the stock is getting hammered, the business keeps landing monster deals. SpaceX's Colossus data centers, originally built to power Musk's Grok chatbot, are turning into an AI infrastructure empire. Anthropic is paying SpaceX $1.25 billion a month to use their computing infrastructure. Google's paying $920 million a month for over 100,000 NVIDIA GPUs from SpaceX. Then this week, a brand new deal with Reflection AI, worth up to $6.3 billion through 2029. And they're also acquiring Cursor, the AI coding tool, for $60 billion in stock. They are stacking multi-billion-dollar contracts even in the middle of a stock price meltdown. So what actually matters from here? 2 dates. Early July, a NASDAQ 100 inclusion, which could trigger a flood of forced buying from index funds, as per its rules, skipping their personal opinions on it. Then early August, the first earnings report as a public company.
That's the real reality check. Until then, expect more double-digit swings in either direction. This is a stock that's volatile, unproven, and absolutely enormous, and we are less than 2 weeks in. If you learned something from this video, smash the like button and hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.